Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we will be learning how to turn on and off notification in Township. To enable or disable notification setting on Township, first of all go ahead and open up your Township application and log into your account. Once you're inside the main home page, go to the top right corner and tap on the hamburger menu in blue. Now, click on the gear button. Inside the settings menu, click on notifications. Now, toggle on or off the notification based on your preference. For example, if you want to receive harvesting notifications, simply toggle on the button right next to harvest. You will also need to turn on notification in your device settings, so tap on go to setting. Now open up the settings app on your device. From the settings menu, scroll down and tap on notifications. From the list of apps available at the bottom, click on Township and make sure that you've toggled on the button right next to allow notifications. Now once you enable this setting, get back to the Township app and you will see that all of the notifications has now been turned on. If you want to turn off any notification, toggle off the button right next to the option End. That way you will be able to turn on and off notification setting on Township. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.